Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for watching another video. So tonight I want to share with you, probably if I had to rank all of my items that I've ever bought through Amazon, is in the top 5 items I've ever bought, and I've had it for well over 10 years now. And it's probably an item that you've seen around and you say, well, maybe I'll just purchase that later. But trust me, guys, when you really need it, you are really going to need it. And it's one of these self-massaging canes. And not just any self-massaging cane, but this specific one from Body Back Buddy. Let's have a closer look. And as always, guys, if at the ending of the video you want to purchase this self-massaging cane, make sure you check out the link in the description below. Now, of course, guys, before getting started, please check with your doctor to see if this is appropriate for you. 10 years ago, when I had tendonitis in my shoulder, I went to the appointment. They gave me some exercises and some stretches to rehab my shoulder, but they also recommended that I get a self-massaging cane, and that's where I decided to purchase this one. Alright, so you're going to see tons of these all over the internet, all over Amazon. Let me explain why I decided to choose this specific one. They come in different sizes, they come in different colors, but the first main feature are these 2 hooks. So some of them only have 1 hook, and that is fine, but when you have 2 of these, it really lets you wrap around your body and get into specific areas. And you're going to notice one is wider than the other side. So sometimes you need it to be a little bit tighter. Sometimes you got to get more into an area, so you go with this larger hook area. So the first thing is you have 2 hooks versus 1. The second feature I want to show you are the available knobs on the cane itself. So this is the acorn knob here. It's got a really hard point, and it's going to be perfect for areas that are not too tender that you really want to get deep into, like in the shoulder or the bottom of your foot. You just pull on the cane and really find where that sore spot is on the bottom of your foot, maybe the arch of your foot, or maybe on the back of the neck, right? If this is the back of your neck, you got that headache or that muscle pull, you can get really deep in there. Now, if the area is too tender, it's too sore, too sensitive, you can go away from this point here and you switch it around to the knob side, which is a lot less painful. So it's good to have those 2 knob options when you're trying to get into specific areas. Some are going to be more painful, some you're going to want to get deeper, and that's when you use the acorn style knob. Another great feature about this cane is look at all of the different areas that you can grip onto and change the angle of your grip. And that's important, number one, to get it onto the exact area that you're trying to get relief from, but also to give you the proper levers to either maybe massage it in a circular motion or maybe even move it up and down. Because sometimes you want to go, like if this is where you're hurting here, the fibers are running this way, so sometimes you just want to go across, and sometimes you want to go in a circular motion. And with all these different points of grip, it's very easy to get it into really hard to reach areas. In fact, let me show you a couple of different ways that you can use this cane. Alright, so here's just a few of my favorites. To get into the bottom of your feet, you can sit down there and pull it into the bottom of your foot, or you can stand up and pull it into that sore area, or you can lie on your back and pull into it like that. The best thing I like about this is really good for stretching out your hamstring. And sometimes when you have a sore lower back, once you stretch out that hamstring, it pulls down on your back and you get a little bit of relief that way. Of course, that one right there, look at that. That's one of my favorites. Sometimes too, you can use that acorn to get right into that section leading right up into the back of the base of your skull. That one, oh, that's so good. And of course, any points where your body hurts, you can use this cane to get rid of some of that tendonitis by either kind of cross friction massaging across the fiber or just kind of gently going in a circle like that. So a lot of different methods you can use this cane for. Well, alright guys, this has been your look at the Body Back Buddy self-massaging therapy cane. I absolutely love it. It's got a lot of different ways that you can get into all of those really hard to reach areas when you're trying to massage yourself. Well, alright guys, that's the ending of the video. Remember, if you want to purchase this massaging cane, make sure you check out the link in the description below. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.